channel. It's a girl Crystal. I know guys, I've not been uploading. I've been trying to settle down in my new environment. Yes, I'm in Bayelsa State for the continuation of my youth service. So I've been kind of busy going around doing clearance, documentation, house hunting. To look for an apartment in a new environment is very hard and stressful. I had to pay like 3 agents to get me an apartment. But the apartment they were showing me, it was giving, some were just there. But finally, I've gotten an apartment. Yeah. The PPA they posted me to give me an accommodation. So I'm going to show you guys an empty apartment tour. So I just moved in today and I'll be organizing my stuffs, unpacking. So don't forget to click on that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And yes, to my new subscribers, thank you guys for joining this family I'm building. And also to my old subscribers, thank you guys for returning back. Yeah. So guys, let me give you a tour to my empty apartment, and also you guys will unpack with me and organize with me. All right, let's go. So guys, this is how my room looks like. It came with the bed, table, fan, like almost everything you're seeing here apart from the painting. I had to repaint and clean up the place. Going into my bathroom, this is how my bathroom looks like. And going into my kitchen, this is how my kitchen looks like. I met everything like this and I'm so happy I'm not doing anything in this apartment. All right guys, let's unpack together. I'll do the rest of the arrangements off camera. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much, and stay tuned for my next video. You won't want to miss my next video. Stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to click on that subscribe button, like, comment and share. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.